We're driving topless.
Okay, so we made it to the East Coast, made it to New Jersey. Just we're in Seattle on a double date with Josiah and Laura. We're actually gonna see one more couple that also are doing long distance. I don't know how many countries they've been to, but we're gonna see them later. We're gonna ask them a few questions about long distance. But first, we're going swimming. Okay, now it's time to go swimming. Okay.
We just went for a dip.
Now it's time to go see Isak and Katie. So we made it to the mall.
I don't want to be in this video anymore. Does anybody here know where Starbucks is?
So we're totally lost right now. We don't know where they are. Don't know where the Starbucks is.
Oh, it's right here.
We're back on track. So we found Katie and Isak.
Wow.
So yummy. So we made it to the mall. Now we just thought we'd ask you questions about doing long distance because they've been dating for about a year and 9 months. So we thought we'd try and get another view. They also met in Lebanon. If you want to start dating someone, go to Lebanon.
No, you get it. Take it. I know you want to take it. I first saw Katie as the beautiful woman she is in Malaysia.
I asked him if he had a girlfriend.
That was like a harpoon of love.
He stole women.
So we've been to Sweden, Norway, England, Scotland, Jordan, Germany, Denmark, and the USA. 8.
Okay, the perk of dating long distance is that it's so focused on conversation, like over Skype, over the phone, or whatever. So we went through 101 questions that seem to cover everything. So I was like, I know everything there is to know about this guy. I thought.
You can have this and I can pop. So, one of the hardest things with long distance, when long distance stops, then there's parts of the other one that you haven't gotten to know, parts of the character and parts of their struggles, and then you come together, and then your personality cocktail kind of goes really well, parts of it, and then kind of your baggage kind of clashes sometimes. But it's also beautiful because then you get to see how you complete each other relationally, and yeah.
So we asked them some questions. We actually need to go now, but it was super fun, and hope we get to see them again soon.
Yeah, I hope so too. Let's go eat some dinner.
We're having lobster tonight with my grandma. Say goodbye. That was great to see you.
Bye.
Let's go.
Oh man. We'll just throw Eastside 5 real quick. Get one shot. Real low. Yeah. We made it back to my grandma's. We're now gonna have lobster. I'm recording.
Wait a minute. Why is that fluffy thing there?
It's for audio.
finally got the hammer out.
Love Across Latitudes.
Love Across Latitude.
And it has like a 3-page introduction about like try your best not to date or marry someone from another culture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna be hard.
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 Yeah.
Because it's gonna be